Today, we are going to learn pronoun. So let's start our today's lesson. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun to avoid repetition and make sentences clearer and shorter. Without pronouns, we would repeat nouns again and again. For example, instead of saying, Ali is my friend, Ali likes cricket, Ali goes to school, we say, Ali is my friend. He likes cricket, he goes to school. Examples of pronouns. 1. He is my brother. 2. She is reading a book. 3. They are playing in the park. 4. This pen is mine, not yours. 5. We are going to the market. Okay, now we will learn some types of pronoun. 1. Personal pronouns, used in place of specific people or things. Right finger examples. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. She is my friend. They are watching TV. 2. Possessive pronouns, show ownership or possession. Right finger examples. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. This book is mine. That house is theirs. 3. Demonstrative pronouns, point to specific things. Right finger examples. This, that, these, those. This is my pen. Those are your shoes. 4. Interrogative pronouns, used to ask questions. Right finger examples. Who, whom, whose, which, what. Who is knocking at the door? Which is your bag? 5. Relative pronouns, introduce a clause and relate it to a noun. Right finger examples. Who, whom, whose, which, that. The man who is standing there is my uncle. This is the book that I wanted. 6. Reflexive pronouns, refer back to the subject of the sentence. Right finger examples. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. I hurt myself. She made it herself.